What's up everyone? I'm going to show you a quick way how to wash your pads, and you can just try to get like a little APC or something. Just rub it on in, let it soak in for a second, let it soften up all the polishes or waxes, whatever you got on there. And then what we're going to do is pressure washer this sucker off. Oh, God. Hold on. Okay. So, as you see, I got it pretty clean already. Whoops, and turn this on. There we go. Squeeze out anything else. As you see, it's pretty, well, there we go, pretty clean. And then just put it back on your machine, spin it out, and let it dry. Alright, here's another pad. I was doing some testing on my Acura. Let this eat up the compound, polish. There you go. Just washing these real quick. Gonna spin them out on my machine, but this is one way to do them if you're looking to do it on the fly or whatever, just quickly instead of doing them in the sink. This is another alternative. Thanks for watching.